Somebody figured out how to open the fridge door. Pizza is almost gone. I wonder who did it.
Come here. Who did that?
New bag of dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food?
Cooper, did you eat all of your treats? Cooper?
What is that? Let me see. I didn't buy you this.
Oh my God!
Did you do this? Pinto. Pinto.
Oh, my dog got into the laundry and he knows it. Jack, what did you do?
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Did you make this mess? Did you make this mess? Bad dog. What are we gonna do with you? And I gotta clean it all up. Let's just grab this right out.
Kevin? Kevin McAllister. How's that crockpot chicken treating you? Kevin?
Ах ты сука.
What did you do? What did you do? What? You're in big trouble, man.
Did you do this? Penny. Did you do that? Huh? Was that you? Oh my. 어떤 멍멍이가 이래놓고 웃어 지금? 어? Complimenti.
Hank. Oh my God.
Odin, were you a bad dog? Did you poop on the rug?
What did you do? Brady? Were you on the couch? Don't! Higgins.
Maya? What's this? What happened here?
I hate you so much.
Aries. Who got into the trash? Aries. Did you do this?
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Pop-Tart. 3 Pop-Tart. Who did it?
Hey, what did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No, stop it. What is this? Oh, God.
Hey!
What did you do? What did you do? Who was the naughty dog? Did you eat kale?
Who did that? Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel. Kennel.
Who chewed this? Who did this? Braxton, look at this. Did you chew this up? Did you do this? Don't turn your head from... Did you do this, Braxton?
So my kid just got done eating and I wanted to show you guys this $1,500 high chair vacuum I just purchased. Yeah, so you just put it right there on the edge and it sucks it right up.
Now I have a question for you. See that hole right there? Did you do that? Did you do that?
Fia! Que é isso, Honda? Que é isso, Honda? Shhh. Honda!
Winston, what's this? Who did that? Who did that? What's this?
What are you doing? Oh my God. This is not yours. This is not yours.
Yep. Santa Claus is very upset with you.
Who did this? Who did this? You don't want it now? What happened? Who did it? What did you do?
You're gonna look at me? Did you do it? Maybe? Ce faci? Ups, ce faci? Dă-te jos.
Gnarly, did you do that? Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey?
Isaac? Isaac? What happened to the candy corn? Where'd the candy corn go? Did you eat that too today while I was gone? You did this? You chewed the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it?
Did you do this? Did you do this? Winston.
Ce-ai făcut, tati, aici? Ia uite. Vii acasă, liniștit.
Ce-ai făcut, mami?
Și uite ce găsești. De la scârbetele ăsta mic. Luna, what did you do? What is that? Huh? What is this? What did you do?
Did you open this? Did you open this?
Oh, grief. You've done it this time.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
No!
Hey.
She drooled!
Hey.
Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
Don't make him come.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here. What did you do? What did you do?
Comeu a tampa do vaso. Quem que fez isso? Hein? Quem que fez?
Didn't give him a treat right before I left and told him he was a good boy. But now, he's just a right? You're a aren't you? Aren't you?
T'ho beccato?
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
Тёма, ты что там берешь? Тёма! Капец, это ты так разодрал все?
Murray, hey. Hey, I need to talk to you. He plays dead. He knows what I'm about to ask him.
I haven't even said anything. Oi, what's that? Nova? Look at me. Nova? What's that?
Excuse me? What are you doing?
Amber, what's going on here?
Find my gate knocked over. And where are my dogs? Where are my dogs? What the did you two do while I was at work? Look at me. Huh?
Hey, what's in your mouth? Wow, drop that. Bob out. Oh my gosh, it's the whole chicken breast.
Seriously?
Hey, hey, remember me? Luke? No.
Цуценят море.
Daddy?
Nico hungry.
Đi vào. Đi vào, đi vào nhá. Ô, quay lại.
Vamos. Uy, no. Vamos. Vamos. Eso, muy bien. Qué lindo, carajo. Did you get Tostitos?
They put their chin. They all want their kisses. Yep.
Why? Knock it off, you're gonna fall.
Come on. Come on. You can leave your eyes. Oh my god, you're so funny. Somebody's figured out they can leave their eyes open under the snow with her new goggles. You love those? What do you think? What do you think? Look at me. You ready to hit the slopes?
Yeah. Now this.
Here comes Levi. Here comes Levi. Here comes Levi. Hey, baby. Good morning.
Did you have fun?
Shoe and a purse. Yeah. Tucker. Hey. Hey, waggly booty. Can you drop that? Drop it.
Don't be taking pictures of me. Okay, I need debit card number. Babe. Debit card. Roxy, take it easy. Okay? You're like hitting skin. There's no bugs in there.
Apa piknik dengan siapa ni?
Telefon aku nak.
What does it mean to you?
no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. No thank you. No, no thank you. No. Oh God. Please go, please leave. Please go away. No, 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 no.
know.
Louie, he's gonna hurt you. Louie.
Louie, get over here.
You gotta get out his way. You keep calling him and see? Ram JJ over.
Technically it is. It's so funny. Really.
Go to sleep.
So he got his head stuck.
It was really scary.
And then you cut.
Because he couldn't breathe. He got stuck and he couldn't breathe, so I had to cut it. Yeah, almost there, bud. Oh, we got some of your hair. I'm sorry. No. Oh, we're so close. We're so close, bud. There you go.
Buddy!